Let's start the recording, and here we go. So what's happening, everyone? Welcome back to another live trading today on the 16th of June, Monday, and the challenge is going quite nicely at the moment because here is pretty much all the trades and the breakdowns. I've sent a breakdown. I'm going to do a full summary of everything at the moment. It's quite nice, like trading. I've already got a few lessons I can tell you from trading personal again. So if I just do from the 1st of June until now. So at the start of this, the main thing that we can kind of see is the losses are consistent the whole way. Like nothing has really exceeded $150. Now my main max stop loss I will have is $200, is like where I kind of draw the line. And here, as we see, this was $350 on the day, max $300 on the day. This would have been $130. I probably would have risked $150 for this one as well, so 300 max. Same for here. And it just goes to show, like, I've only won 1, 2, 3 trades. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 3 out of 9. So essentially, one of the biggest things about my my trading rate is about 30 to 40%. When I'm doing really well, it could be 50, 60. But I don't know if you guys can really comprehend on the first lesson is that when you kind of win, so like you have that winning week, that really puts you in the green zone and enough room to breathe. So, you know, ultimately at a 31%, anything above 30%, I am profitable. And there are weeks where you can do 60%, 70%, some weeks are 20%, some can be 0% win rate, but that's just how trading goes. It's not one straight linear line. And then just, you know, even if we drop these wins down and put them down to like a $400 win or a $300 win, we'll still be up for the whole session essentially. So that's imperatively important. Now the only difference I think is quite nice is with personal, and I think the first lesson I wanted to share briefly a minute ago is that the restrictions are so much less, and I feel like there's a lot of weight off the shoulders when you're trading your personal accounts. If you break any rules or anything, you don't lose the account. Now, yeah, you don't have to put the same amount of money out, but realistically, like, the freedom of this account is huge. And this goes back to like 3 years ago or 2 years ago when I traded. If I lost 10%, I could still trade, and then I have to get out of that. And I think that's one of the biggest skills that you have to have, is to be able to get out of drawdown. And I don't really believe that like prop firms can do that, because you just rather buy a new challenge because of risk to like just time on investment. But look, there's pros and cons to everything. I don't think that is one right way. I just haven't done a personal in so long. It's just nice to really feel back the benefits of personal as well. So I did every single trade breakdown last week. I'm going to do a week summary and like a write-up of what I just kind of went off just a minute ago, and then all of the trades and all of like the following from here, so from the deposit all the way down. A quick little update as well is if you have bought the course, they are refunding for $299. All you have to do, I think, is like 1,000 lots round turn, which essentially is probably like a couple of weeks of trading. So if you are interested, you can go and sign up with Simple Effects. They've got $5,000 bonus, and obviously that's what I'm trading with at the moment. Like, this is the account. Got the deposit in. I'm also looking to get this audited as well, so again, just to prove everything. But regardless of proving everything as well, I think 4 of these trades were in this live trading room, and then not only that, they were called before and after. For all the Winner Circle program members, you can have signals for free until I do all of this, because I did send the signal in there, and I'm sending this trade in the signal too, so you can kind of stay up to date with it. Another huge thing as well is I'm going to be updating on Twitter this whole thread, pretty much the next series. So before, I basically did the FTMO series, and then now we're doing this whole new challenge series, or following through. So you can follow that on Twitter, but more importantly, you guys are watching right now, pretty much get this in the live angle. So right now, all we're really waiting for is this sell-off. I'm still very biased on shorts at the moment. We had a great gap down. Now two options: we can fill this gap up to here, or what we could do is come and test here. That's literally A or B, A or B. Now I'm waiting for that confirmation. I want moving averages to cross over on 3 minutes, which they're very nice right now. So technically, if you wanted an aggressive trade, you could actually enter one right now, and just run this to here. But what I would love is this, and then to potentially go to Tokyo low, which we could even get a trade something like this. So that could be really cool and really good trade on the books. So let's just wait for this. Oh fuck, look, that's pushing. That's beautiful. So let's just wait for this. After this is pushing, and then let's see what we can get moving forward. So there's 2 trade ideas. I'm just gonna quickly go have a shower, and then I'll wait for this, and then I'll come back onto the live. Nice.